Alright guys, once again this is Kondisonfilms in the house. If it's your first time on the channel, consider clicking that great subscription button. And today I'm gonna show you how you can load style beat in Yamaha Psr 363 and Yamaha Psr 373, the same style. How you can do that using a computer, keyboard and cable, USB cable. I'm gonna show you all that in the action there. I'm not gonna waste much time, but let's just get on our
Kondison on the beat.
Right guys, now you can see this is the surface of our Yamaha Psr 363. They almost have the same the same thing with the 373. Now what we're gonna do is we need to have a USB cable like this. You can see one end is like this and the other one is like that there. Now that's where you put it on the keyboard, and the other one you connect it on your computer. Yes, now when you are connected to the computer, what you need to do is you need to install you need to open this software called Yamaha Music Soft Downloader. So when you open it, you need to first connect your instrument to the software before you do anything. Then you click on connection check, and then you can see something pumping up on your computer there. You click on connection check, you can see there check connection, then you click on next. Yes, you can see here it is saying check the. You click on next, then you can see our digital keyboard is here. You select on it, and then you click on check. Then you can see here okay, you click on exit. The next thing we're gonna do is we are going to add the style files to the software before we transport them to the keyboard. You click on add file, then you'll be directed to where you have saved your styles on the keyboard. And for now I'm gonna just select any beat. I just wanted to show you. I select any beat, then once you double click on the beat, it will just come here on this. You can see now the beat has come here on the software. Now, like if you want to transfer the beat from the software, from the computer to your keyboard, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the beat, on the style, you click on it, you click, and but before you do that, you come down and click on the electronic instrument, then you click on flash memory. Then you'll see the beats that have been installed in the keyboard here, and also you can remove the beats. You can move it to your computer. I'm gonna show you how you can do that, but right now I'm gonna show you that's how you can transfer it. It has been transferred successfully. You have seen our beat is now in the keyboard, but that's how you can move. You click on that, then you move, it will just go to from the keyboard, it will be moved to your computer. Now I'm gonna show you from the keyboard what you're gonna do. Like once you have sent the beat to your keyboard, what you need to do. Yes, once you have sent it, now already we have the beat here in the keyboard, but it is not installed. Like if you go on the style, you cannot see anything. What you're gonna do is you're gonna tap on style and check for something called a style rig. There we go, that's the style rig. Once you get on style rig, and then you'll see the beat that you have sent on the keyboard. You'll use yes and no and 0 to select and to do every nonsense goes there. Now I'm selecting the beats that I wanna install. You use no or yes just to check, to go back or to come. Now I want to install this beat. You click on 0 to select the beat. You click on 0, load to. Now the next thing is the number. Load to. I'm gonna select on 175. I'm gonna load it on 175, as you can see on the keyboard. Now I'm gonna Let me first check whether, because I've installed other bits here in this keyboard, you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna load it to 175. If you want to load on that, you're gonna click on yes. You click on 0, then load OK. You press yes. You can see it is loading. Our bit is loading right there. Once it is completed, you can just now go to style and select the number that I've loaded it onto. Like, you can tap a style and you can put 175, then you'll see your bit is loaded right there. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. Remember, if you need to get more information, you can just go to your Google and write kondison.com, something like this, kondison.com, and you're gonna enroll. You can enroll there for online lessons where you can learn how to make cinematic 2D animation logos, how you can start right there. You can see, and you can also download free music here. Just free, you just sign up. You can see how you can enroll and check out stuffs here at kondison.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.